name is Sean Barita and study in Blossom Lavender. Today I am to share a book, The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. This story about a brother and sister who are home alone on a rainy day. Suddenly a big cat wearing a tall funny hat came to visit and entertain them. But cat make a big mess. Finally, the cat cleans up the house before their mother comes home. I recommend this book to everyone because it is a fun story, easy to read